Yesterday we had seen what is A and how to find D. Two things we have seen. What is it? First of all, we have seen what is a sequence. Then we have seen what is an arithmetic progression. Sequence is nothing but a arithmetic progression is nothing but a special type of sequence that we have already seen. Then in an arithmetic progression, there are certain things that we need to know. First is A, that is the first term. Then common difference, that is D. Okay, so we have seen A, we have seen D. Now, going further, one step further, we are going to learn, as I said, there are three formulas in this chapter. One of them we have already seen yesterday. Okay, just for a recap, what was that formula? Anybody?
D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1.
Correct. That was the one that we had seen for D. Now, one of the most important formulas that we are going to learn today, okay, that is how to find, supposing you're given a sequence, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, whatever that is given. And you've asked to find the fifth, supposing this is given. I ask you to find the next two terms, you will find out immediately, isn't it? 25 and 30. Doesn't take much time. So you know the fifth and the sixth term is 25 and 30. 105th term. Of course, one simple way is keep on writing and keep on writing T1, T2, 125. उतने टाइम में शायद आपका पेपर आधा हो जाए, है ना, टाइम खत्म हो जाए. In exam, if you are going to use that method, that is not going to work. Because we have to do it fast. अपने पास टाइम का constraint रहेगा. And this was an easier one. Sometimes you have -3, sometimes you have +7. So adding or subtracting that is going to become difficult, even if you know A and B. So if I have to find some 23rd term or 27th term or 119th term, so how am I going to go about that? So for that, I have a formula which says Tn. Okay, the formula says Tn equals to A. A means the first term plus into bracket n minus 1 d. Tn, ये लिख लो formula. Okay, and this has to go into your formula book also. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. पहला ये फॉर्मूला होगा, ये दूसरा, इसके बाद सिर्फ एक और फॉर्मूला आएगा which is Sn. What that is, we will do when we come to that. Right now, let's focus on this. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Not difficult to remember. Not too many calculations are required. But the mistakes you are going to do are Tn or n or d. ये सब चीजें अगर हम ठीक से identify नहीं करेंगे, d people identify correctly, but they make mistakes in sign. -3 लेना था, +3 ले लिया. Okay, that is the only mistake that will happen with respect to d. Otherwise, d में normally गलती नहीं होती है, but plus or minus sign we make a mistake in case of d. In case of n and tn, you interchange that. जब n ढूंढना रहता है, tn ढूंढ लेते हैं. जब tn ढूंढना रहता है, तब n ढूंढ लेते हैं. So that is another mistake that we might make. Okay, so we need to be clear on that. Written with the formula. So let's look at some examples solving this, how to solve this. Okay. Sometimes what they're going to tell you is, we have given you A, we have given you D, you find out 4 terms of the AP. Okay, that also we will see before we start using this formula. Supposing they tell you A equals to minus 3, B equals to 4. A equals to minus 3, D equals to 4. Find 4 terms, 3 terms, whatever of an AP. This is the easiest thing that they can ask you in the easiest chapter. सब आपको दे दिया है. Okay. The food is there in front of you. You just have to, बाकी कुछ नहीं, सब आपको बना बनाया था. करना क्या है? You have to find the first 4 terms of an AP where A equals to minus 3, D equals to 4. Now we know A is nothing but T1. What is T2? T2 is T1 plus D. What is T1? T1 is minus 3 plus D plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is going to be 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. T3, T2 plus D. Now T2 is 1 plus D, that is, similarly T4 will be T3 plus D, which is 5 plus 4, which is, so therefore is minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. It's going to be that simple. Are we clear? It's going to be that simple, not at all complicated. So if A is given, D is given, this is how you're going to go about it. Okay. Now let's check if A and D. Now, is it going to be such simple numbers? More often than not, yes. Sometimes they might give you A as 500, 300, whatever. But all you need to do is just keep on adding. Now, the formula that we had derived, okay, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, let's see how we arrived at that formula. This is clear? This part is clear? Okay. So let's understand that. I'll just erase these numbers and then we'll arrive at the formula. T1 equals to A. So now T2, in place of T1 I can write A. So this is A plus B. T2 is T1 plus D. T1 is nothing but A. So it is A plus D. T3 is T2 plus D. T3 is T2 plus D. But what is T2? T2 is A plus D. So in place of T2, I'm going to write A plus D and this D as it is. So it becomes A plus 2D. T3 is A plus 2D. T4 is T3 plus D. But what is T3? T3 is A plus 2D. And in place of this, D as it is. So A plus 3. Okay. So similarly, what is T5? T5 is T4 plus D. So it will be A plus 3D plus D, which is A plus 4D. So if I go on up to Tn, this will be T. 5 है तो 4, 4 है तो 3, so n है तो n minus 1 plus. Now what is Tn minus 1? Tn minus 1 will be A plus